Hello friends and followers, today we are here to take apart this red HW22 Pro. I had done teardown of HW22 and it was worth seeing the internals. Link to that video is in the I button. And today hoping to see something better than that. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Heat up the display and insert the prying tool to remove the display. As always, we get to see the battery on top. This is the first watch which comes with sticky tape for battery. Small change but still useful. Now this is something different than usual. First time the display connector is of single cable Lego type. All other watches comes with dual FPC FFC connectors, which is kind of old technology now. This is the vibration motor and it has got my initials. This is the loudspeaker, which is actually loud compared to other watches. This is the microphone, not that high quality but still gets the job done. This is again first watch which has crown button holding bracket. Other watches has got fixed button, so replacing was not possible. The whole assembly comes off on this watch pretty easily. The motherboard is still on plastic locks, hoping to see some holding brackets in upcoming models. The disadvantage of plastic lock is that if it breaks, the motherboard will not sit in its position. This is the magnet to hold the wireless charger in position. Let's try to remove this back plastic. Only in HW22 and HW22 Pro it's possible to remove the back plastic, just like original Apple Watch. As seen, the chassis has got strap release cut out. Hopefully in upcoming models we will see the release buttons just like W56. That watch is best of all. Link to that video is in the I button. The battery is 220 mAh, which is good and lasts for nearly 3-4 days. The copper coil is the wireless charging receiver. This watch is equipped with MediaTek MT250 processor. This is the first watch which has both red and green LED lights. Hopefully we might get to see real sensors in future. The golden contact pad in the center looks like for the sensors. DT100 already has the sensors. Link to that video is in the I button. The changes were not major, but as said, slow and steady wins the race. So let's keep the fingers crossed. Thank you for watching.